Okay, so you're thinking of getting into digital marketing, but you're like, I don't know if I have the skill for that. I don't have the technical skill. I don't think I can go on camera. I don't think I can sell digital products or promote digital products, right? Well, you have to think of skills that transfer to digital marketing from the real world. So you've all gone to school, you've had jobs, careers, maybe you've even had a family. There are different things that you've done, and those skills can transfer into digital marketing, right? So when you think of time management, communication, building anything, project planning, whether you are creative or how you communicate to your family or someone at work or your co-workers, or if you're a boss, how your employees, all those kinds of things are transferable skills, right? Studying, learning, building, creating, communication, conflict resolution, right? I've got a whole long list here, and think about how you've used them in your job, your career, your studying or learning or school, your family, and yes, you can transfer those skills over to digital marketing. So even if you don't want to come on video like this and show your face and do face forward, and you think, okay, I'm too shy, I'm too scared, I can't do that, right? You're either going to have to break through that wall and surprise yourself, because I don't know anyone who just starts out like, ta-da! If you look at some people's first videos and they have really, really made it in the online space, everyone has to start at zero. We all start at zero followers, zero everything, but we all grow, right? We grow through the confidence. But if you want to do faceless, where you're in the distance or you're using aesthetic reels, you can do that as well, where you put text and music across the screen. If you've never seen me before, my name is Susan. I'm in Alberta, Canada, and I have gone from selling physical goods for 12 years to now fully selling digital products, because digital products, you put them in your store, or you create them, or you find them and you put them in there once and they sell over and over and over again to create a reoccurring income. I've learned from the roadmap. I will have the roadmap exclusive in my store soon. I've learned from the Pathways to Profits, which is a mini guide. And I also have now put a wonderful big starter kit bundle in my store, which saves you time and money, skipping the hassle of looking for all these different products. There's 19 of them in there for a very, very good investment. And those are things that are going to save you time, and time is money. So go and check out my store. I also have a great beginner's guide, which tells you what first steps to take, what digital affiliate marketing is. There's also a content workbook you can print out, you can fill in, you can brainstorm a niche, figure out what it is that you want to promote. I'm in the online making money space. You don't have to promote that. You can literally promote anything you love. Gardening, cooking, tips, recipes, travel, hiking, anything that you love, anything you're passionate about and can talk about for a long time. Anyway, reach out to me if you have any questions about digital and affiliate marketing, or digital products, or online space and starting a business, and I would love to help you on your business journey.